What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Miracle Prayer Code before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Miracle Prayer Code works. What is Miracle Prayer Code? This unique program merges ancient prayer techniques with modern sound therapy to elevate your vibration and attract abundance. Whether it's financial freedom, inner peace, or spiritual growth, Miracle Prayer Code provides a clear path to fulfillment. Key benefits of Miracle Prayer Code: manifest financial abundance, tap into the universe's wealth and prosperity. Emotional healing, release negativity and embrace positivity. Spiritual growth, strengthen your connection with the divine. Easy to follow, guided audio prayers for convenience and clarity. Proven techniques, based on ancient spiritual practices and modern science. How does it work? The program uses specific prayer techniques combined with sound frequencies to align your thoughts, energy, and intentions with the universe's abundance. Who can benefit from it? Anyone looking to improve their financial situation, find emotional peace, or strengthen their spiritual connection can benefit from this program. How soon can I see results? Results vary, but many users report feeling a sense of peace and positivity within days of starting the program, with financial and emotional changes often following shortly after. Where can I buy the Miracle Prayer Code? It is available exclusively through the official website linked above.